Hello friends, welcome. This is Shruti Shammi. Today our recipe is soya bean tikka fried rice. Soya chunks are rich in proteins and for vegetarians it is a good substitute for meat. Marinated soya chunks in tikka masala brings an extra flavor to the fried rice. So let's see how to prepare it. I have 250 grams of soya chunks. Before marination, soak the chunks in hot water and squeeze off excess water. This makes it soft. Now let's start with the marination. To a mixing bowl, add soya chunks, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, one teaspoon of chili powder, two teaspoons of yogurt, and finally some salt. Marinate and set aside for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, shallow fry the soya chunks. To a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry until golden brown. Almost 5 minutes and the chunks has turned golden brown. Remove from pan and set aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped onion. Saute for a while and add green chilies. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell disappears. Then add in the vegetables. 1 cup of cabbage, carrot 1 cup, and 1 cup of beans. You can add veggies of your choice. I've taken cabbage, carrot and beans. Cook the veggies for 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt, add some spring onions, save some for garnishing, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of ketchup, combine all the ingredients and later on add boiled rice. I have taken 1 cup of boiled rice. Also add in the soya chunks. Mix well and finally garnish with spring onions. Soya tikka fried rice is ready to be served. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.